Hey there, wellness wavers. Ever wondered how some people can hold a plank for 3 minutes and wish you could do the same? Well, wish no more, my friends, because you are in the right place. In this video, we'll share valuable step-by-step information to help you plank like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, these tips will help you master the plank and build incredible core strength. From perfecting your form to mastering mental strategies. Are you ready to transform your core workout? Well, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 8. The benefits of planking. Planking is more than just a core exercise. It's a full-body workout that enhances strength, stability, and endurance. By engaging multiple muscle groups, planking helps improve posture, reduce back pain, and boost overall fitness. Regular planking can also increase your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Plus, it's a versatile exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime, without any equipment. So, whether you're at home, in the gym, or on the go, planking is a convenient and effective way to stay fit and healthy. Number 7. The correct plank form. First, let's get the form right. A proper plank starts with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, keep your back flat, and avoid sagging or arching your lower back. To achieve this, start by positioning your elbows directly beneath your shoulders and your forearms on the ground. Extend your legs back, keeping them straight, hip-width apart. Engage your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine. This activation is crucial for maintaining stability and protecting your lower back from strain. Imagine a straight line running from your head to your heels, and hold that position. Keep your gaze slightly ahead of your hands to maintain a neutral neck position. This prevents unnecessary strain on your neck and helps you maintain alignment throughout your body. Finally, remember to breathe steadily. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, keeping your breaths deep and controlled. This helps maintain your core engagement and keeps you focused during the hold. Mastering the correct plank form will help you hold a plank for 3 minutes. Number 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Common mistakes include letting your hips sag, raising your butt too high, or allowing your shoulders to sink. Avoid these by constantly checking your form and engaging your core muscles. These errors not only compromise your core engagement, but also puts unnecessary strain on your lower back. To fix this, consciously tighten your abdominal muscles and lift your hips to maintain that straight line from head to heels. Another common mistake is raising your butt too high. You see, while it might feel easier, this reduces the effectiveness of the plank by shifting the effort away from your core. Keep your body level by lowering your hips and ensuring your shoulders and ankles are in line. Allowing your shoulders to sink is another error that can lead to shoulder and neck discomfort. Instead, press firmly into the ground with your forearms and keep your shoulders protracted. This not only supports your upper body but also enhances overall stability. Forgetting to engage your core can undermine the entire exercise. A loose core results in poor form and reduced benefits. Remember, your core should be actively engaged throughout the plank, maintaining tension and stability. By being mindful of these common mistakes and making necessary adjustments, you'll ensure that your plank form is perfect, maximizing the benefits and reducing the risk of injury. Number 5. Gradual progression. If you're new to planking, start with easier variations like knee planks or incline planks. Gradually increase your time and difficulty level as your strength improves. Begin with the knee plank, where you keep your knees on the ground while maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees. This reduces the load on your core while still allowing you to build strength and endurance. Next, try the incline plank. By placing your hands on an elevated surface, you decrease the intensity, making it easier to hold the position while you work on your form and build core stability. As you become more comfortable and your core strength improves, start increasing your plank time. Aim for 30-second intervals and gradually work your way up to a full minute or more. Once you can comfortably hold the knee and incline planks, progress to the standard plank on the ground. Progression is all about patience and persistence. By starting with easier variations and gradually increasing your time and difficulty, you'll build the strength and confidence needed to hold a plank for 3 minutes. Number 4. Breathing techniques. Proper breathing is crucial. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. When you inhale deeply, you bring in oxygen that your muscles need to function effectively. Deep, controlled breaths help keep your core muscles activated and support the endurance required to hold a plank. Exhaling slowly through your mouth also helps to release tension and prevent your muscles from tiring too quickly. By maintaining a steady breathing rhythm, you can stay focused and keep your core engaged throughout the plank. Avoid holding your breath, as this can lead to muscle fatigue and make it harder to maintain proper form. Remember, your breath is a powerful tool. It not only fuels your muscles, but also keeps you grounded and focused. As you practice holding your plank, pay close attention to your breathing pattern and make it an integral part of your routine. Number 3, mental strategies. Holding a plank for 3 minutes is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. Break the time into smaller intervals. Focus on your breathing and use positive affirmations to push through. One effective strategy is to break the time into smaller, more manageable intervals. Start by aiming for 30 seconds, then gradually increase to 45 seconds, then 1 minute, and so on. This makes the challenge seem less daunting and allows you to build mental resilience. During your plank, concentrate on letting your breath become a steady rhythm that keeps you grounded. This not only helps maintain your form, but also distracts from the discomfort. Positive affirmations can be powerful. Phrases like, "I am strong, I can do this," and "every second counts" can boost your confidence and help you push through the toughest moments. Visualization is another powerful tool. Picture yourself achieving your goal, whether it's holding the plank for 3 minutes, improving your core strength, or reaching a personal fitness milestone. Finding support can also make a big difference. Plank with a friend, or join a fitness class where you can encourage each other. Sharing the experience and getting support can make the challenge more enjoyable and rewarding. By using these mental strategies, you'll find that the 3-minute plank becomes more achievable. Remember, mental strength is just as important as physical strength. Number 2, strengthening supporting muscles. Strengthening supporting muscles can make holding a plank easier. A study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that performing planks regularly can significantly improve core strength and stability. The research highlighted that consistent plank exercises reduce back pain, enhance posture and balance. Incorporate exercises like shoulder taps, side planks, and other variations into your routine. Shoulder taps are a great way to build upper body and core stability. Start in a standard plank position. Then tap your right shoulder with your left hand and your left shoulder with your right hand, all while keeping your hips steady. This challenges your core and helps improve balance. Side planks target your obliques and add variety to your core workout. Lie on your side with your legs extended and feet stacked. Lift your hips off the ground, supporting your weight on your forearm and the side of your foot. Hold this position while keeping your body in a straight line. Switch sides to ensure balanced strength. Try the forearm plank, which places more emphasis on your core. For an added challenge, incorporate leg lifts or arm reaches. These variations activate additional muscle groups, making your core work harder. By mixing these exercises into your routine, you ensure a well-rounded workout that targets all areas of your core. Number 1, incorporating planks into your routine. Start by incorporating planks in your workout routine 3 to 4 times a week, gradually increasing your plank time. Begin with shorter intervals, such as 20 to 30 seconds, and gradually work your way up. Also incorporate planks into your circuit training or as a standalone exercise. For instance, you can include a plank after every set of strength exercises or dedicate a specific time for core-focused workouts. Planks can be versatile and fit into various types of workouts. You can even include planks in your yoga practice to enhance balance and stability. Track your progress by noting your plank times and any improvements in your form. Keeping a record helps you stay motivated and allows you to see how far you've come. With that said, thanks for watching, be patient, and stay consistent. Comment below with your plank progress, and let us know what fitness topics you'd like us to cover next. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and let's ride the wave to a happier, healthier you.